MSB is a small company that does really big things. When it comes to heavy-duty industrial, it's petrochemical, it's oil and gas.
We focus on a lot of the principles of electrical engineering, power systems, control systems, and as you move over into our connectivity solutions and technology side, really anybody could be our customer.
Projects can range from communication towers, two-way radio, public safety, satellite, and we put Wi-Fi in stadiums and arenas.
We kind of like a little adventure in engineering. We seek out projects that are new and interesting. We don't see it as risk, we see it as challenge.
I think the way that I would describe MSB is very family-friendly. Our culture here is about the family.
Let me just say I love this company. Everybody here is a professional, and the clients that we have typically are around for decades. That's a blessing.
When the lights go on and the lights go bright, it's showtime, and celebrating the wins with our customers is all part of who we are and what we do, and it just comes naturally.